Here we're going to be looking at rational exponents. And irrational exponents are exponents that are fractions. I have just a generic a to the 1 over n. And let me help you have an idea what that also means. I can convert a rational exponent into a root. And this is the same thing as the nth root of a. So let's look at a couple examples of what that means. Let's say, for example, I have 64 to the 1/2. I know, what in the world does 64 to the 1/2 mean? Never seen it before. Well, if I look at this principle up here, I can see that this is similar, it's exactly the same as the square root of 64. And that equals 8. How about another one? How about if I have a negative 125 to the 1/3? Well, I take that same idea and I can start to see that it's a cube root. The cube root of negative 125. And I'm not worried about having negatives underneath the radical sign here because it's an odd index. So the cube root of negative 125 is negative 5. And the last little example that we'll look at, I have 6x squared y all to the 1/5. And let's write it in radical form. So that's the 5th root, where 5 is the index, of 6x squared y. And nothing else I can do with it. It's just rewriting it from rational exponent form to radical form. And there might be a use for that coming down the road.